boy. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a simple calculator which helps us to find the square, cube root and square root of a particular number. So yeah guys, this is it will be a little fun, like it will be very fun, and it will be a little there will be tricky situations and you can do it easily. So yeah guys, we'll ask the user to input some number, and after that we will also ask them, do you want to find a square or a cube, and we will just work according to that. So yeah, now if it asks us square, then we have to find the square of the number. So or if the user asks us cube, then we have to find the cube. So yeah guys, this is going to be very fun. So without further ado, let's open, let's go. So yeah guys, we have come to our PyCharm screen. So now let us start working on it. So yeah guys, first we have to put number is equal to input braces quotes what's the number. So I am just asking the user that what's the number that you want to input, and after that we will go to the next one, which is which we are going to give the operation. So operation means like the square root, all that. So in that I am going to ask input. So I'm going to ask like input braces and quotes, and after that I'm going to ask like, do you want to find the square or cube or the square root or the cube root. So I'm just making the question too long. So if you want, you can just reduce the question, reduce the lines of the question. So yeah, now we have asked this. So in this, the user will input that like what does he want to really find, and after that now let us start our work. So we have to put if. So we have to put if operation, like which means the square root of the operation is equal to square. Like yeah, if the user tells that he wants to find a square, then what we are going to do is that print braces quotes. So we will put quote, like first we have to put int guys. So this int command should be used because int is used for making the number into an integer, because with which the equation will be solved and you can do the problem. So that's why we use the int command. After that int, so we have to put int, which is the you can see, then after that number means we are going to change the value of the number into int. So after that into we have to put two stars, which means 2 stars means square, okay, like finding the power of the number, and 1 star means its multiplication. So we will put 2, which means we are finding the square, right? So that's why we are multiplying it. Now let's go to the next. So which is if operation is equal to cube. Like if the user asks us to find the cube, then what should we do? So then we have to put print, and after that just like that int. So we have to put always int. After that int number. After that we have to put 2 stars, and after that we have to find the cube. So I'll just put space here. Yeah. So now we are finding the cube, because we are finding the power of the number to the power of 3. So that's cube. Now after that we will come to the main thing, which is elif operation. If the user asks us to find the square root, then what will we do? So there is a equation that we should use to find the square root. So for that actually we have to use the import command, which means import command user it helps us to define the values so that we can use it later. So now we will just cut this whole thing. I will just cut it, and after that now we will just put import math. So we have to put import space math, and after that I will just come into the next line, and after that I'll just paste it again. So yeah, now we have got the import, we have set the import math command. So after that we have to put the dots, and after that we have to print it. So yeah, in this we have to put square math dot sqrt. This is the command that we use to find the square root. So after that we have to put another braces, and after that we have to put int always. After that we have to put number. So now we have finished it. Now yeah guys, so yeah guys, now we are going to write the cube. So we have to put elif operation is equal to, now what if the user asks us to find the cube root? So now we are going to do that. So yeah, we will put cube root. Now actually for the cube root we have a number with which we have to like multiply it. Not multiply, like power it. So we have to put int number. Well, like we have to put int always because it converts the number value to an integer. So yeah, after that we have to put power symbol, and after that we have to put 1 dot slash 3. So yeah guys, this is the number with which we have to actually find it. So we have to put 1./3 dot. So now we will, that's all guys. So yeah guys, now we have finished the whole code. Now we will just start running it and seeing it, will it work, how does it work. So yeah, now it has asked what's your number. So we will just type 2 because we are going to find the square now. So I will just put square. Okay, we are going to find the square first, and there you go guys, you can see that I just put 4. So yeah, so we have found the square. Now again let us run it. Now we will enter 2 again, and after that we will put cube. So we are finding the cube here, and there you go, you can see that we have found the cube. And after that, now again let us find the operation, and after that, code, and after that we will enter 4, and after that we will find the square root. So I will put square is cube dot the root. After that, there you go. So you have got the 2 as the answer. So now let us again run it. So yeah, here guys, there is a point that we can only find the rounded off number, like the nearest number to the term. So we can see that we have got it with, for the 8, the cube root is 2.666665. So you can only find the round off value for cube root. So yeah guys, this is the video. So yeah guys, I hope that you liked it so much, and I think it would have been very helpful to you. So yeah guys, if you like the video, then like it. After that, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and share to others who are in need. So yeah guys, meet you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.